Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple cheddar cheese spread. This cheddar cheese only takes a few different ingredients. It's super simple. It does take a little bit of time only because it uses some cashews and you want to make sure that they're soft. Same thing with some carrots. But let's go ahead and jump into the ingredients that I am using today. I have some dried ingredients, and that is nutritional yeast, tapioca starch, salt, turmeric, and garlic powder. For wet ingredients, I have water, apple cider vinegar, and then I have some cashews and carrots. So when it comes to the cashews and carrots, I added that to a pot and I boiled it in some salt water for 30 minutes, and then I let it sit for another 30 minutes. So that takes a little bit of time, but that just makes sure that the carrots and the cashews are nice and soft, and they'll blend more smoothly and evenly in the cheese mixture. So now this next part's super simple. I'm gonna add everything right to a blender, and I'm gonna blend it up until it is nice and smooth. So when it comes to the cheddar cheese, a couple key components is we have the turmeric. The turmeric is going to add that color to it. It's going to bring out a yellowy orange color that we know that comes out in cheese. The apple cider vinegar is going to bring an acidity to the cheese. That's going to help amplify the flavor. The salt, again, will help amplify the flavor and extract flavor from the cheese. And finally, the nutritional yeast, that's used to bring out the actual cheesiness. So when you bring those all together, that's what helps you get that cheese flavor from vegan cheese. So that's it. Super simple when it comes to the vegan cheddar cheese spread. I mean, really, if you want to see how I use it, you're just going to have to check out a couple of these videos that I have coming up. I'm going to be making a cheeseburger crunch wrap. I'm going to be making some grilled cheese. So make sure you tune in and check those out because I have the cheese ready to go. And that's basically all there is to it. Check out that grilled cheese. Check out that crunch wrap coming up, because I'm your friend with food benefits. And I'll see you again real soon.